under from the out. Entry number 4, A Super Camp. It's now Made the Thing, followed by Lambing Pinay by the Route Power of Destiny. Entry number 3, Pinay Beauty. Super Camp is running fifth by about 2 lengths. Then comes entry number 4, G.I. Jane and Face to Face. Passing the last 800, Made the Thing by Hapaland, followed by Lambing Pinay. Power of Destiny racing on the outside. Then comes entry number 3, Pinay Beauty. And here comes 4A Super Kent. As they race the last 500, Made the Thing, Power of Destiny, Lambing Pinay, Super Kent. Racing on the outside, taking the third spot, and still moving up as they race the final corner. Made the Thing by Halenkenha, Power of Destiny, Super Kent out of Federal, Pinay Beauty, and nearing the finish line. Made the Thing on the outside, Power of Destiny, and Super Kent. Made the Thing, Power of Destiny, Super Kent, and nearing the finish line. Number 5, Made the Thing, Power of Destiny, Super Kent, close, G.I. Jane, Face to Face, Pinay Beauty, Lambing Pinay.